just got done running it. The description is combination. Obviously, got our cylinder heads on it. Edelbrock air gap, MSD Pro Billet. Got a quick SS 750. Custom ground hydraulic roller. A custom piston. And we got the Canton front sump. Marks for the new belt. Make sure the alternator charges for you. Take you in there and show you how to ram. Alrighty, 3,500 is 505 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque 523. Peak horsepower 490. So the front end's about 15 horsepower. We're rated at 500, so everything's good. Get her off there in the crate. Come your way. Have a great day.